Introducing the Hard Shell Travel Backpack by Swiss Military, the ultimate head turner for professionals, students or travelers seeking unique form, durability and functionality. With its one-of-a-kind, diamond-cut ABS hard shell design, this backpack combines sleek aesthetic and rugged protection. The backpack can accommodate laptops up to 15.6 inches, ensuring the safety and convenience of carrying your devices. It also includes a separate compartment designed specifically for your iPad or notebook, ensuring optimal protection. Also, it features a unique but effortless elasticated file or documents holder in order to cleanly organize all your essential paperwork on the go. A separate mesh zipper pocket for accessories allows for easy organization and quick access anytime. With miscellaneous storage pockets, you can effortlessly organize your items for easy retrieval. Additionally, for overnight travels, a spacious garments or file pocket provides ample space for your essentials. A Velcro flap prevents the backpack from opening 180 degrees, further enhancing security while also giving you an option of opening the backpack fully for hassle-free packaging and unpackaging. The kissing zip pullers offers a reliable locking mechanism, keeping your belongings secure. Premium padded backmesh panels provides an extra layer of comfort even during long journeys, whereas the fully adjustable shoulder straps ensure a comfortable fit tailored to your needs. While the Comfort Grip carrying handle makes it easy to transport the backpack with ease. Crafted from durable ABS material, the backpack is built to withstand the rigors of travel. It offers a generous capacity of approximately 32 liters, provide ample space for your belongings. With dimensions of length 33 cm, width 19 cm and height 50 cm. It strikes the perfect balance between size and functionality. This backpack comes with a 1-year premium quality guarantee, ensuring its reliability and longevity. With a net weight of 1.4 kgs, it is lightweight and easy to carry. The Hard Shell Travel Backpack by Swiss Military is available in 3 sleek color options: blue, grey and black, allowing you to choose the style that suits your preferences. This backpack is an excellent investment for those seeking a very unique, dependable and versatile travel companion. And it also comes with premium packaging. So go pick your favorite color now!